Wednesday, 18th day of March is today, 2026. So yesterday, Donald J. Trump sent someone to go to Israel to see the Prime Minister, Benjamin Netanyahu, to know his state and how they are doing amidst the rumor that Benjamin Netanyahu is dead. Now, I really want to say this, that you see, right from the beginning of this war, we have seen propaganda upon propaganda. Like, these people are very good, and I give them credit for the propaganda they have been parading. Why the day I stopped talking about this issue of Iran and Israel was the day my friend from Israel called me, and there was a video that people were circulating online that look at the streets of Tel Aviv. And I actually know the particular place, not that I've been to that particular place, but I actually know this particular place because it's famous. It's where everybody knows. So I decided to tell my friend to go there, do a video call, go to that area. So after showing me the place that many people have been sharing, that this is the street of Israel, have been bombarded by the, Iranian missiles. After that day, I stopped. I understand that, yes, this war is beyond a ground war. This war is on social media. That people who can fight on the ground are actually on social media fighting. By the way, I'm not saying that Iran is a weak country. They have put up a stiff fight. No nation on earth can resist United States and Israel joint military operation. So Iran put up a stiff fight, and I give them credit for that. So Benjamin Netanyahu told this man something that got me wondering. He brought out a card that you're about to watch now. He told the man that, look at the names of people we want to erase. And we have erased 2 in the names there. So it shows that Israel is not just backing down in this fight. Israel knows what they want. Israel is fighting for survival. America is not fighting for survival. America is fighting for dominance, while Israel is fighting for survival. 2 things are there.
Prime Minister, I wanted you to know the President asked me to come and make sure you were okay.
Yes, Mike. Yes, I'm alive.
I checked that, and I'm happy to see that. But he wanted to make sure because, you guys get along too well.
I know, and we shake hands with 5 fingers in each hand. But I have to tell you, I'm alive, but I have this card.
Oh.
And, don't read it. So it's a punch card.
Mm-hmm.
Today, I erased 2 names on the punch cards, and you see how many more to go on this batch.
You know what the good news is? My name is not on the punch card.
Your name is on the list of the good guys.
Thank you.
And what the President and the U.S. forces are doing is incredible. We're very proud to stand shoulder to shoulder with them. And getting rid of these lunatics would like to develop nuclear weapons and the means to deliver them to every American city after wiping out Israel. They ain't going to do that. We're wiping them out.
I love it. Thank you, Mr. Prime Minister. Good to see you.
Thank you, Mike.
Thanks. Take care.
So after that, I also saw the video posted by Benjamin Netanyahu in his Facebook account. So he was having a security meeting with the top leaders of Mossad, the Iranian Air Force, the commanders, intelligence, one of them, they were having meeting. So Benjamin Netanyahu made a shocking statement. He said that they have eliminated the 2 right wing of this Islamic regime in Iran, that people of Iran should go out and do their celebration and do their festival. And at the end of the video, he made one statement, and he ended it that we are watching from above. Take a listen.
I'm here with Israel's defense minister, our chief of staff, the head of the Mossad, the chief of Air Force, our senior commanders. In the past 24 hours, we knocked out 2 of the terrorist chieftains, the top terrorist chieftains of this tyranny. Our aircraft are hitting the terror operatives on the ground, in the crossroads, in the city squares. This is meant to enable the brave people of Iran to celebrate the Festival of Fire. So celebrate and Happy Nowruz. We're watching from above.
Now, this thing is scaring the enemies of Israel. Now, this is what I mean. I understand that America is a very powerful country, but Israel is more intelligent than America. Mossad is a very dangerous, whether it's a group or intelligence circle or intelligence association, intelligence military. No matter what you call Mossad, they are what they are. Mossad is very, very dangerous. Now, I started thinking about Mossad the day they killed the supreme leader of Iran. Now, the member of the inner circle of this Islamic regime, led by Ayatollah, a member of them is also a member of Mossad, working with Mossad. So it got me talking about them because as sophisticated as Iran also is, like Iran, they try their best. They have been building up their military. Iran is not a small country now. But Mossad infiltrated all their circle, infiltrated their people, infiltrated their cameras, hacked their cameras and everything. Like this kind of war, you can't win this kind of war. Your people are against you. Your military is against you. Your inner circle, your intelligence officers are against you. Tell me how you are going to win this war. Israel have been fighting wars right from, the day they formed Israel as a country. From the 6-day war till today, they have been fighting wars. So if anybody tells you that they are going to win Israel in this war, tell the person that Israel is fighting for survival. Israel is fighting for survival, and there is nothing you will do to eliminate these people because they have been fighting for wars. They have the experience. They have everything it takes. Israel is the first country that started using light to shoot down missiles, laser energy. These are the things people talk, but they can't do it. So don't joke with these people. Not that I am supporting wars upon wars, but if someone tells you that they are coming to eliminate you, they are coming to kill you, come on. Don't fold your hands and allow them to wipe you away. Ayatollah Dindet now, former Islamic regime leader of Iran, he made a statement. He said, when you see us chanting death to America, death to Israel, it is not just a song. It is a policy. You don't get it. When you see us chanting death to America, death to Israel, it is not a song. It is a policy. You know what policy means, right? Our mission is to destroy these countries. So I do not blame Israel for what they are doing. If anybody tells me, if you're watching me, even though in your comment there, you tell me, Okocha, I am going to kill you, I will track your phone, I will track your IP, I will track your home, and I will eliminate you. Yeah, tell me you are going to kill me. I am not going to fold my hands and just be waiting for you to come and kill me. That is it. But you know what? I'm very peaceful, like peace. If you even see me, you know that this guy is just a gentleman. Yes, that is who I am. But I'm telling you that if anybody tells me that you are going to kill me, I'll make it a policy to do the same thing to you first. I will not fold my hand. And that is why I don't blame Israel for what they are doing, like telling Israel you are going to wipe them out. They should fold their hands and be watching you. Anyway, it is what it is.
Prime Minister, I wanted you to know the President asked me to come and make sure you were okay.
Yes, Mike. Yes, I'm alive.
I checked that, and I'm happy to see that. But he wanted to make sure because, you guys get along too well.
I know, and we shake hands with 5 fingers in each hand. But I have to tell you, I'm alive, but I have this card.
Oh.
And, don't read it. So it's a punch card. Mm-hmm. Today I erased 2 names on the punch cards, and you see how many more to go on this batch.
You know what the good news is? My name is not on the punch card.
Your name is on the list of the good guys.
Thank you.
And what the President, the U.S. forces are doing is incredible. We're very proud to stand shoulder to shoulder with them. And getting rid of these lunatics would like to develop nuclear weapons and the means to deliver them to every American city after wiping out Israel. They ain't going to do that. We're wiping them out.
I love it. Thank you, Mr. Prime Minister. Good to see you.
Thank you, Mike.
Thanks. Take care.